As per the WHO report, there's a shortage of nearly 4 million doctors and pharmacists around the world. This world quite literally needs you. Hello everyone and welcome back to Academically. If you are also planning for a future after 12th, we have for you 2 courses in the field of medicine that you can pursue. So let's get into it. So if you are looking for an alternative way to get a doctorate in pharmaceutical sciences, let me introduce to you the PharmD course. Well, unlike other PhD degrees, you don't need any bachelor's or master's degree to get into this course. As you can already tell by the name, it's a degree in pharmaceutical sciences. So unlike the more common B.Pharm degree, PharmD is a 6-year course, which is more in line with international standard of pharmacy education. So first, the Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery course, which we know as MBBS, is a medical degree that is awarded after 5.5 years of study. And this also includes a 1 year of a mandatory internship to gain hands-on clinical experience. Now the coursework here is divided between the preclinical, paraclinical and clinical sections. And the subjects here also include human anatomy, physiology, pathology, pharmacology and many more. So you need to qualify for the NEET exam to get into a medical college. And with an MBBS degree, you are officially a doctor, the kind of doctor patient go to for healing and cure at the hospital. Then what about the PharmD doctor, you might ask? Well, PharmD is all about medicine and patient care. You see, in many countries, pharmacists are much more involved in delivering healthcare to patients, from counseling patients to at times prescribing medicine. This is because pharmacists are trained in a clinical setting. The B.Pharm course we have in India is more theory-based and knowledge-centric. So a PharmD was introduced to bridge this disconnect between education and practice and make it more holistic. In PharmD, students have to complete a 1-year internship in a clinical or hospital setting aside from their coursework. The good thing about PharmD is that you don't have to give any additional exams. Most of the colleges consider either your 12th board results or the NEET UG score. That's the same exam you take for MBBS. And with the PharmD degree in hand, you can opt for multiple career choices ranging from a clinical pharmacist, drug inspector to a clinical research scientist as well. So honestly, there is no simple answer. Both careers are in healthcare but through different paths. So if you are more passionate about dealing directly with patients and having a more hands-on approach, the MBBS path will be the best for you. And if you are curious about how things work in the world of medicine and the alternative approach to healthcare, you can opt for the PharmD course. And the best thing about this is, after you take your MBBS exam, you can decide on either option. The rank will obviously play an important part, but it's good to know your choices. And that's it for today, folks. If you have any queries regarding either of these options, feel free to reach out to us. And do not forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with everything healthcare. You take care, happy studies, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.